Welcome to the house of Lydia. I am so fine, fine like fine wine. Yes, please, kindly welcome to my house. We are going to do something today, and this something is about cooking. And we are going to cook pancake and not usual pancake that you advise you. Hey, my people, this one is amazing. In moto. Please follow one step by step, and let's watch this video as we cook our pancake using oats flour. Let's do this.
Yes, we are going to cook the healthy pancakes for the people who are on the diet, and it's not only for the people who are on the diet. And before us, you can see mnazaona we have the ingredients, and we are going to use oats flour. Here, this one is already ready to use. It's fine. And we are going to use soya milk, and we are going to use, I have cinnamon, 1 egg, and 205 soya milk, and 60 grams of oats flour. All right, and here we have apple. You peel one apple. We peel one apple, and then this apple we are going to fry it in using our coconut oil. Yes, and we make pancakes. Let's do this. On our pan we put our coconut oil like that. This is coconut oil, and then we put our apple like that to fry it for a minute. Yeah, our apple, we are still frying for a minute. Then you add cinnamon, a little bit cinnamon. Yes. Now from here, my people, it's ready here. From here, we are going to put in to blend. We are going to put in our blender and add another thing. And this is our apple. Yeah, you add milk inside, and then we blend. We are done blending. From there, our mix of milk and apple we are going to put in. Yes, and then our mixture we'll put inside here in our oats flour like that. And then we mix it. We mix it until it's mixed up, And don't forget, you can add a little bit of salt, and I'm using a Malaya salt, just a little. And of course we are going to add our egg. Yes, plus our egg, we mix it well. Yes, you can use even the oats that is not already fine. You can use them, you can blend them to make them fine. Oh wow. Yes, you see our mixture is very fine, and it's ready to cook our pancake. Yes, and we are here now. This is our mixture. We are going to cook our pancake. We put in a pan in a low heat, on a low heat. Okay. That's how our pancake is turning out. Very good, brown, and they are very soft. You must be very careful how you turn them up or how you hold them. Yeah, let's keep cooking. Yes, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and if you have any question you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me. Yes, our pancake is coming out so very well. You can see, very healthy and very well. Let's continue cooking. Say something on the comment section. Okay, yes, let's keep cooking. Yes, and we are done cooking our pancake. You see how they are, very yummy. Very yummy. Yes, and our breakfast is very ready. You can see, you can serve with coffee or tea. Yeah, for those who love like sweet things, you can put honey. But for me, it's okay and very tasty, ready to be eaten. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Wow, our breakfast is ready. Beautiful.